Welcome to 6144 Garrison Street, a haven of charm, elegance, and updated comforts. Upon arrival, we are immediately greeted by a large front yard with plenty of room to play. The kitchen nestled in the back of this lovely home is waiting to lend a helping hand in crafting meals that thread memories together. The spacious living room is a sanctuary of warmth, dressed with rich hardwood floors and natural light. The primary bedroom is an embodiment of relaxed elegance, ready to welcome you for relaxation after a long day's work. The clean bathrooms feature crisp tiles and more natural light. Each corner is a harmonious blend of practicality and soothing aesthetics. The other two upstairs bedrooms are both radiant and inviting, nestling sweet dreams atop beautiful hardwood floors. Step into the second bathroom, featuring newer tile and a separate luxurious shower. An added highlight is the built-in storage, thoughtfully designed to seamlessly stash away necessities. Discover tranquility and comfort in the basement bedrooms. The first room boasts a generously spacious layout with brand new modern flooring and fresh paint. The second basement bedroom takes comfort to the next level with an even larger area than the last. This is a space in which relaxation and elegance truly intertwine. Additional features include a huge walk-in closet, chic new flooring, and contemporary paint colors. The cleverly positioned basement bathroom also hosts the laundry room that is equipped with a full-size washer and dryer and a handy sink. Step outside to a haven where the blue sky kisses a generous lawn and two storage-friendly sheds. The expansive backyard offers the perfect place for relaxation, play, and outdoor entertainment.